Hello, Duncan from Sound Direct. One question we get asked quite a lot is the one-step buttonhole system on machines. So I'm going to run through how to use the one-step buttonhole system, how to use the buttonhole foot to sew the buttonhole foot. So for that, what we need is the machine. The machine I'm using in this one is the Brother Innovis NV185Q. We need a buttonhole foot, sew-on button foot, and a button. Let's get started. Okie dokie. So first things first, we're going to put your button into your buttonhole foot. So we open the back part. Okay, that's the bit that measures how big your button's going to be, and it does that by putting the button into here. Okay, so zoom in, that just opens out like that, pushing it in there. Then we're going to locate your presser foot inside, presser foot shank onto the bar, and then tucked underneath the back here with a one-step buttonhole you have a lever. Alright, so what we're going to do is put your foot on, line it up, clip it in place just that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the thread down, back up again. There we go, so we're now in the position there. Right, so we're going to select the buttonhole that we want to do, put our fabric in the right place that we want to do it, push down, light's gone green, and we're going to press go. So as you can see, that's your buttonhole. Tied up the stitches. Dead simple. I'll do another one. What's lovely about one-step buttonholes is the consistency that you're going to get. So because it's all done through the machine, you're going to get the same size button every single time, buttonhole every single time. And there's nothing to it. Very easy. A lot of people are scared of using these functions on the machine, so it helps. There we go. 2 buttonholes exactly the same size. Hope that all makes sense. And now I'm on to the sew on the button. So using the sew on button foot, the M foot, as you can see, the foot slides into here. So there's a little bit of prep work to be done. You've got a lever that pulls out. And you can see how you've got some marks here to line up your holes. And then that clips on the same way as any other foot does. So we'll clip that on. There we go. Now, on the machine I'm using, the Brother Innovis has a special buttonhole foot, sorry, sew-on button stitch, which is number 90. So we're going to do that, and then I always rotate in the setup just to make sure we're going to go into the holes. Clearly we're not with that one. So we can see it's going in there. I'll put the foot down. Oh. Should do that there. Should then get across into here. Yeah. So we've got that covered. So we've not actually formed a stitch with that. So we're going to lift the press foot up, put the where we want to put the button, just rotate it around like so. There we go. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is, now I'm confident that we're in the right place, we'll start up the machine. There we go. It's doing its thing. Looks like it's going to tie it off. There we go. Let's have a cut. There we go. Lift the foot up. And that is how to sew your buttonhole. Really simple, really easy. So just get a seam ripper. I'm going to chop my hands off if I do it that way. Safety first. So there we go. Perfect fit every time. Hope that helps.